Hello students, from the land of Kalyana Karnataka comes a story of wood, art and tradition. Today's UPSC daily practice question is about Chandrasekhar Y. Shilpi. Senior artist Chandrasekhar Y. Shilpi from Kalaburgi has been selected for the National Handicraft Award of 2024, which is conferred by the Union Ministry of Textiles. He was trained under artist Naganna Badiger and has spent over 4 decades preserving Karnataka's wooden carving traditions. He is also a former member of the Karnataka Shilpakala Academy and is also a recipient of the Rajyotsava Award. Now, the question is like this. Chandrasekhar Y. Shilpi received the National Handicraft Award 2024 for his expertise in carving which of the following? ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ವೈ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿ ಅವರು ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕೆತ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಣತಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕರಕುಶಲ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ 2024 ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು. And yes, for this the right answer is option B. ವುಡನ್ ದ್ವಾರ ಬಾಗಿಲು ಅಥವಾ ಮರದ ದ್ವಾರ ಬಾಗಿಲಿನ ಅಲಂಕಾರಿಕ ಕೆತ್ತನೆಗೆ ಅವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಣತಿಯನ್ನು ಅವರು ಹೊಂದಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕರಕುಶಲ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. He is known for his extraordinary skill in crafting traditional wooden dwara bagilu or the beautifully carved decorative doorways representing the Sagaranadu art style of Kalyana, Karnataka. The honor will be conferred by President Draupadi Murmu on December 9, 2025 at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi, and the award carries a cash prize of rupees 2 lakh and a commemorative plaque. The award committee has highlighted his remarkable contribution to reviving and elevating the Sagaranadu art style, a distinctive traditional art form of the Kalyana Karnataka region, especially in Yadgir and Kalaburgi. Mr. Shilpi has also served as a member of the Karnataka Shilpakala Academy and as a part of the Amara Shilpi Jakanachari Award Selection Committee, further proving his stature in the art world. Preserving traditional art is not just a craft, but it's preserving our heritage. Art and culture questions like these often appear in the UPSC prelims, and follow the videos in the description for more detailed UPSC practice and stay updated with the current affairs in culture and heritage. Thank you.